Now it's available at McCarthy Cars, BMW X3 diesel xDrive 4-wheel drive car. Car has front fog lights, got front parking sensor. A 60 plate 2010, metallic blue, 2-liter diesel car. Car has rear parking sensors. It's got split folding rear seats. Full cream leather interior. It's got side and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX, 4 electric windows, got electric and folding mirrors, front auto headlights, car has satellite navigation, has DAB radio, it's got aux connection, telephone, Bluetooth connection, push button to start, auto start stop function, 2-zone climate control, air conditioning, heated seats, CD, automatic transmission, got aux and USB connection, multifunction steering wheel. Thank you for watching.